Now, in front of me, we have the Radeon Neo Series 22 kW cable variants wall box. Let's demonstrate the unboxing process. First, let's open the box. Now we can see, on the left side, it's the Neos device body, and on the right side, it's the Neos backplate. Next, let's take out the Neos backplate. Roll it over. Underneath the power line's terminal blocks, we can see clear wiring instructions, which can help to ensure proper wiring for the users. On the right side are the product's serial number and PIN code. They are essential information for pairing the Wallbox to the Radeon app. Under the backplate are the CT accessories, including a CT clamp and a CT adapter, and there is an accessories box with other necessary installation materials. Additionally, there are instructions for CT installation. Now, let's take out the main body of the Wallbox. Let's take a look at the front of the charger. At the top right of the body is the Neos OLED display. On both sides of the body are LED light stripes, from which charging status can be seen clearly from a distance through different colors and effects. At the bottom right there is the plug holder. And let's roll it over. We can see the nameplate and safety instructions on the center label. Alright, so these are all components of the Radeon Neo Series cable variants wall box.